here's my gym fit for the day. And then I got a yellow shirt on. You can't tell, but these leggings are black. They look kind of purple. But yeah, I put my hair in a claw clip. Okay, so today we're gonna pick out a new fridge, and I'm gonna take you guys with. Also getting my cameras developed from the summer. That was my New Year's resolution. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We have arrived. You wanna go home? Okay, so we're at this new pizza restaurant. Okay, I forgot to vlog our food. This is the pizza we got. It's a margarita pizza, and we shared it. So now we're going to look at more fridges. Okay, the angle's kind of bad, but I'm gonna do a haul of what we got for the kitchen. So first we got these little placements for my apartment. I got 2 of them. So yeah. Then we got this pan, this non-stick pan, and this kit to hang up wall art. Then we got this plate right here that goes on this like little stand that we bought. So it looks like this. That's really cute. Then we got this to put like bread or something in, and then towels. Then we got a spoon and a fork to hang up, and this really big sign. Yeah. Then we got this little, says chef's tools for like spatulas and everything. Then we got these, and I'll show you. The camera was sitting on it, but we got these to put in here like that. So yeah, that's everything. This is gonna be Maisie's corner with her little mat that's gonna go on the wall right here. So the fridge is gonna go right here. Then this is gonna be lined up for the fridge, but we put it right here for now. Plant next to little Maisie's little corner. Okay, we have this candle. It's Christmas, but it smells really good. I'll put this right here. There we go. That's fancy. Now on the next shelf, what should we put? A basket? Oh, we have, okay, so we got some more supplies to put on the thing. So we have this sign. I'm not gonna say it on YouTube. Some brown sugar. Then we have some powdered sugar. Ooh, that looks cute. Then we have these flour. Oh, this looks really good. I'm good. Sugar. I feel like we need something right here. Let's see. I'm gonna go find something to put right there, because we have baskets, but I don't think a basket would look good right here. We need like a plant, so I'll be back. Okay, I found something. This paper towel. Oh shoot, it's too big. Dang it. Maisie, you're so cute. She has her toy. Okay, so it's Wednesday and the fridge came. Okay, I'm gonna give you a fridge tour. So this is the fridge part. Okay. Here's the freezer with the ice and water machine. So yeah, this is the fridge we decided to go with.